Good day, Alcon and surrounding areas. This is your daily news brief brought to you by WPRL 91.7 FM. In entertainment news, Axe is secret to her 6-year marriage with John Legend, a union that inspires countless relationship goals tweets. Chrissy Teigen told Vogue in 2017, taking super sexy photos like this. Lest anyone get it twisted though, the Sports Illustrated swimsuit cover model promptly popped a set of false monster fangs in her mouth and snapped a grimacing selfie because, let's be clear, it's that willingness to poke fun at themselves that made the 10-time Grammy winner and the model turned television host envy of the internet. And the reason why Teigen joked recently that they were breaking up after we can leave the house. The overwhelming response, as one fan put it, oh, they are. For every list, Tongues All the Time's lip sync battle star took to a playful swipe at her husband. There are countless other reasons the couple as well matched as they appear on Twitter. In other entertainment news, American Idol Season 8 will continue, pandemic or no pandemic. ABC announced today that the show will continue to film while following all stay-at-home guidelines, with top 20 perform from their home while the judges judge from their own homes, with the viewers voting from, you guessed it, their homes too. Allow Judge Katy Perry to explain how American Idol continue. I'll be judging from California, Lionel Richie from Los Angeles, Luke Bryan and Bobby Jones in Nashville. Ryan Seacrest will host from Cali. Contestants perform at their house. America will vote from home and will choose a winner. Who even needs a studio or an audience? You don't have to go anywhere to sing. In sports news, the fund was established after a meeting between Premier League players to discuss the best way to support NHS and other frontline staff through the coronavirus crisis. The fund was established by Premier League players including Jordan Henderson and Harry Maguire in the wake of the widespread criticism of the perceived inaction of substance. The Premier League initial proposal for a 30% wage cut was dismissed by players who wished to ensure any contribution would be going directly to NHS and frontline staff. The fund's contribution will be managed in conjunction with the umbrella group of NHS charities, NHS Charities Together. In the statement posted on Twitter, NHS Charities Together praised the Lioness for their contribution. In other sports news, Manchester United midfielder Paul Pogba has revealed that he was an Arsenal fan as a child, largely due to his favourite player being fellow Frenchman Thierry Henry. Pogba joined United from Le Havre as a 16-year-old in 2009 before leaving for Juventus in 2012 and then returning to the Old Trafford 4 years later for a then record world transfer fee. Arsenal's record goal scorer Henry was among a group of players including Ronaldo and Zidane, who Paul Pogba named as his favourites as a young fan. I will be honest, so at the start I was an Arsenal fan, obviously because of the French players you know, Pogba told United official podcast. In weather, it's currently cold and 54 degrees and tonight's close is expected to be 41 degrees. This news brief was brought to you by WPR 91.7 FM. We now return to a regular scheduled program. This is to remind us that the Office of Student Engagement is preparing to bring forth robust programming for the 2020-2021 academic session, and they ask that we complete the survey related to intramural sports. There will be other surveys to follow from other units within student affairs, and we will need our compliance in completing those as well. The link to the survey will be sent to our emails. If there are any questions, please contact Emmanuel Fio at 475-224-9860. The number again is 475-224-9860. The cafeteria has changed its time again for the third time and will be open for brunch box and lunch hours from 11 a.m. this time around to 1 p.m. and dinner from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. No cash will be accepted due to the public safety, and if there are any question, contact Cedesco at 601-877-3767. Number again is 601-877-3767. We've come to the interview segment of this show, and here with me today I have God is Great Okeke, is a nursing major. How are you doing today, God is Great?
I'm good. I'm glad to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So tell me, what made you want to study nursing? What made you want to pursue a degree in nursing?
Well, at the time I chose to go into nursing, I had a lot of options. But I chose to go into nursing because nursing was something that came, I felt like it came, it came easily to me. It's something that I feel like I have this, tendency to look after people and to care for people and to see ways to make people have better, be in better situations.
Oh, so you're saying it's a natural something?
It's natural.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So how is it? How is the Natchez campus? And like, how is the nursing program over there?
Well, the nursing program is it has a structure of its own. Unlike other programs on the main campus, it's structured and they expect you to be professional in every aspect. It's kind of demanding and then it's challenging. But the beautiful thing that makes it easy is that you have supportive professors and they've already provided structures that make it easier for you. They have a free flow of information that they break it down in such a way that you're able to know what you're expected to do at every turn. Yeah, and again they have a structure. They have counselors that help you when you are going through stress, and then they have academic advisors that look into your progress at every point in time to make sure that you're keeping up with, they keep up with your progress to make sure that you're following what you're supposed to do.
Oh, that's very nice. So, do you like the nursing program very well?
Yeah, it's difficult, but I'm enjoying it so far.
So, what advice do you have for people who want to pursue a degree in nursing?
Well, the advice I would say is be prepared for hard work. It's difficult, but it's not possible, and you only enjoy it if it is what you want to do. And then the program, enlightens you and broadens your, horizon. So that's one beautiful thing about the program.
Okay. Do you have hobbies?
Hobbies? In nursing school, you don't have a chance to.
Yeah, I'm not going to ask you because if you have hobbies, do you still?
You don't have a chance to.
you
You don't have a
still
chance
hobbies?
to follow up with your hobbies. It's kind of you lose your social life while you're in nursing school, but at the end, it pays.
Pays off.
Yeah.
So, do you have hobbies, or I believe everybody has hobbies. So, what's your
Well,
hobby?
basically, what I do when I'm stressed or when I try to relax, I
Because
just
everybody has to take a break once in a
Yeah.
while. I believe.
I either watch movies or I watch comedies. That's what I do.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I like.
It doesn't give us enough more. We don't have enough time for different hobbies to follow up with our hobbies.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you very much. God is great for coming today, and I hope you all have listened and learned. We've come to the end of this interview segment. I'll see you all next week.